Janome.
Hello everybody, Kelly McKenzie here with Janome America. Today's video I'm going to show you how to clean and maintain the hook area of your Quilt Maker Pro 20. This does pertain to other long arm machines too that we make. Our Quilt Maker Pro 16 and 18 are the exact same. So the first thing you're going to need is your cleaning brush and your bottle of oil. And what we're going to do is we're just going to use the cleaning brush to clean out this area. And you'll see that we've been quilting for just a little while today, and it's already quite linty. You will want to do this as often as possible, and I will clean my area out after each row of quilting. Some people will wait until their bobbin empties, and they'll do it at each bobbin change. Once you have used a completely full bobbin and it's time to replace it, you will always put a drop of oil in that little hook race area right here. And you'll just want to put a drop. If you accidentally put too much, you can wipe it with a paper towel and get the excess off. Also, when you go to put your new bobbin in and you're ready to start quilting again, do not start directly on your quilt. Go onto the side of your batting and backing and put a scrap piece of fabric there and sew on that just for a second so that if there is any excess oil that would get on your quilt, it won't. It will get on your scrap of fabric instead of your quilt. And then you can go cut your threads and go back to your quilt and start quilting again.